Are you planning to ship a container to Egypt, whether it's household goods, industrial equipment, or even your car? Understanding the cost and the best shipping options is essential for a smooth move. In today's video, we'll answer all your questions about shipping containers to Egypt, including costs, container options, and how to pack to comply with Egyptian government regulations. Shipping a container to Egypt is influenced by several factors, from the container size to the weight of your shipment, and even the time of year. Here's what you need to know about the cost of shipping a container to Egypt. Full container load, FCL. If you need a full container for your shipment, costs typically range from $895 for a 20-foot container to $1,661 for a 40-foot container. Less than container load. If you don't need a full container, you can save money by sharing space with other shipments. LCL prices generally start at $58 per cubic meter. International house moving. For household goods, moving a small shipment could cost about $480, while moving a larger 3+ bedroom house, around 8,750 pounds, might cost around $2,807. Ready to ship your container to Egypt? 3 Movers is here to help. Contact us today to get an instant shipping quote and let our team of experts assist you with everything from packing to customs clearance.